SmartMicroScope Optix, getting started with Chromebook, PC, and Mac. We'll start by opening the box and checking out the contents. We see a card with SmartMicroScope Online Viewer, information about how to connect your optics to your traditional microscope, a quick start guide for the software, the SmartMicroScope Optix, the USB cable for connecting it to your Chromebook, PC, or Mac, and 3 different adapters for connecting to your traditional microscope. So the first thing we need to do is remove the eyepiece from your traditional microscope. Sometimes it unscrews, sometimes it slides off, sometimes there's a small screw underneath that you need to remove. In this case, we're going to use the universal adapter, and we're going to put it on, and then we'll slide the optics right into it. Sometimes it's easier than that. The eyepiece may just slide right off, and in this case the optics doesn't need an adapter, it just slides right into the slot. And then you connect with USB. So get the card out, because we're going to turn that card over, and on the back you will find either a username and password, or you will find a license key. So we're going to go to the website, SmartMicroScopeViewer.com, and you will either enter the username and password, or if you have a license key, you'll click the register here. Now when you click register here, it takes you to the registration page where you'll enter your full name, your email, and use a very simple password for this. And in the bottom field is the license key. You'll find the license on the back of the card. Once the software opens, whether you have the live image or not, click the Help button. When you click the Help button, it opens the Quick Start Guide in a new tab. And on the top right, you will see a link to a YouTube video that is extremely helpful in setting it up. So let's get to the video.
Introducing the SmartMicroScope Online Viewer for Chromebooks, PCs, and Macs. The Google Chrome browser and go to SmartMicroscopeViewer.com. Enter your username and password and click OK. The first time you log in, you will need to allow use of your camera and set it as your smart microscope. Click Camera Settings icon and make sure that Allow is selected and click Manage. Select the camera drop-down and choose USB camera. Go back to the first tab and refresh the page. You now see the live image from the Smart Microscope. You can take pictures and record videos. Notice the timer begins when the video starts and turns off when the recording stops. Images and videos can be viewed in the gallery. You can view or save the gallery items. There are 3 save options. We will choose Google Drive. This will save the images and videos directly to your Google Drive. The assessment tool allows the teacher to quickly create a quiz to determine if students have learned the concepts. Simply click and drag to an area on the image, and an arrow and numbered box are drawn. The image with drawings can be saved for later use, such as formal assessments, or for students who may not have been in class that day. Another popular feature is the option to draw a circle to point out specific areas of the image.